We study about varactor diode. This is the varactor diode. A varactor diode is a junction diode which acts as a variable capacitor under changing reverse bias is known as a varactor diode. Varactor diode is a special type PN junction diode in which PN junction capacitance is controlled using reverse bias voltage. When the diode is forward biased, current will flow through the diode. When the diode is reverse biased, charges in the P and N semiconductors are drawn away from the PN junction interface and hence forms the high resistance depletion zone. When the diode is connected in reverse bias, then the P-type semiconductor is connected with the negative terminal of the battery and N-type semiconductor is connected with the positive terminal of the battery. And when diode is connected in reverse bias, then if we increase the reverse bias voltage, then depletion region also increases. If we decrease the reverse bias voltage, then depletion region, the width of the depletion region also decreases. And since in the depletion region there are no mobile charge carriers, so this region behave like an insulator, and the P region and N region behave like two plates. This is the symbol for a varactor diode. Basis of operation operates a varactor diode operates in reverse bias, and this give rise to three regions at either end of the diode are the P and N regions. However, around the junction is the depletion region where no current carriers are available. As a result, current can be carried in the P and N regions, but the depletion region is an insulator. Since in the depletion region there are no mobile charge carriers are available, so it will behave like an insulator when the diode is connected in reverse bias. Same as capacitor construction, it has conductive plates separated by an insulating dielectric. The capacitance of a capacitor is dependent on a number of factors, including the plate area, the dielectric constant of the insulator between the plates, and the distance between the two plates. In the case of the varactor diode, it is possible to increase and decrease the width of the depletion region by changing the level of the reverse bias. If we increase the reverse bias voltage, then due to this the width of the depletion region also increases, and if we decrease the reverse bias voltage, then the width of the depletion region also decreases. This has the effect of changing the distance between the plates of the capacitor. In this diagram we can see that if we increase the reverse bias voltage, then capacitance will decreases and width of the depletion region increases. CV characteristics. In this graph we can see that If we increase the reverse bias voltage, then capacitance will decreases. On increasing the reverse bias voltage, the capacitance will decreases. Applications: variable reactor in microwave circuits. First application of the varactor diode is variable reactor in microwave circuits. It is used in variable resonant tank LC circuit. Here C part is varied using varactor diode. AFC, automatic frequency control, wherein varactor diode is used to set LO signal. Varactor is used as a frequency modulator in radios and television sets. It is used as frequency multiplier in microwave receiver LO. It is used as RF phase shifter. These are the applications of a varactor diode. Conclusion: varactor diode in reverse bias operates as variable capacitor as reverse voltage varies, and depletion region is equivalent to dielectric, and P and N regions equivalent to plates of capacitor, and width of the depletion region equivalent to the separation between the plates.